Morning routines in easy English. I wake up.
I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I fold blanket.
I fold blankets.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I brush teeth.
I brush teeth.
I wash face.
I wash face.
I dry face with towel.
I dry face with towel.
I take shower.
I take shower.
I wipe body.
I wipe body.
I comb hair.
I comb hair.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I make a coffee.
I make a coffee.
I open fridge.
I open fridge.
I take bread and eggs.
I take bread and eggs.
I prepare breakfast.
I prepare breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
I wash dishes.
I wash dishes.
I pack lunch.
I pack lunch.
Like, comment, subscribe, share.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.